Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Whirlpool refrigerator and it's sometimes it makes knocking noises. We're going to talk about what could be causing those noises. The first thing that it could be is that it could be the compressor. So this could mean that the compressor is failing somehow, or that it might just be too loosely mounted, which allows it to knock around. The second thing is that you could have a frozen or a damaged evaporator fan motor. The third thing that it could be is that it could be a problem with the condenser fan motor. The fourth thing that it could be is there could be something going on with your ice maker. If it's jammed or clogged up or anything like that, ice can kind of be popping out and making that kind of noise. And the final thing that it could be is it could be the damaged damper control assembly. So anyways, I hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.